Worst thing happened to me a while ago. What could have ever happened when they're at the airport? You see my classmate there start going Wally. Brought some rose for you, bro. Wagwan, what's great? Me not great, you know. Cause anytime I leave Jamaica, it's always a sad moment for me. You know what I say? But the family need me. And I miss them. You see me? Yeah, man. So, you don't know how to reach you. But anytime if you go back to Jamaica, one thing, go back to Canada, one thing I realize today, I start bump up. You see me? Start bump up. I don't know what I go on. But we have to go on. Anyway, what's in my bag? I don't carry a lot. The last time I traveled, go home. May I tell you, I only took my carry-on bag. Not carry-on, my backpack. And it was the smoothest transition through the airport. And I said, who, me? That's how I'm going to travel moving forward. The only reason why I had, what you call that thing there? Suitcase coming down because my dad bring home mommy. But this time around, I go by myself. Just my backpack I go carry because it make you just go through airport like dust. And of course I can drop in a carry-on bag, but I'm not going to carry on. Even though my flight include a carry-on and a backpack, I say okay, my backpack, but my backpack big, so then probably I go check it as a carry-on. So we're good to go, right? In Canada it's very hard to get worm out for the kids. And you know in Jamaica here we get worm out at least twice a year. So at least I ask me to buy something. They call it worm out for them Zentel. So I just buy enough we can do for the entire year. Because I know they worm them out twice a year, right? I just buy that. I buy about 10 of them. I do the tablet farm. And that's around $6,000. At least I love them toothbrushes. The, what you call them? What they call them toothbrushes? The Alex. Yeah. So I always carry up a pack of that toothbrush. Typically I carry up patty and them things. Because I know Raja love him patty. At least I love her patty. So I probably have to go get some patty at the airport, right? And that's pretty much it, you know. Should I normally want to carry some lemon beer and sour beer, but I tell her I say I can't carry no liquid because I'm only bringing one bag, and that's basically it. So right now, I go do up a cooking video for the cooking channel and just probably go get a clean haircut and relax for the rest of the day. But as the day progress, me make you know where I go on. But bittersweet moment, man. The sweet parts, I go see my family. The bitter parts, I have to leave Jamaica. If you know, you know. But when I come to Jamaica, excited. You see what I say? But yeah, that's it for now. So check back here. I'm going to beat off some cow skin with bean. I get the car washed now. And see if I can cover it up because Tyron have film car now. So I can go wash and cover up because through me the under one tree, I find say be just step on it, you know. So yeah. So I get the car washed off right now. You know. Get the car washed off. Wash it off and then put the cover on it before I go. Rain I go fall down because see the sky look away, but I rinse it off same way because it's very dusty and it's under a tree. Rinse it off, dry it off, cover it up before the rain come down. Yeah. See how the leaf them start fall upon it already? Because they're under a tree, right? So we just want to clean it up. You know, have my spear upon it because I'm tired of the bus the other day. But I'm just going to leave it because I know I go and drive, so it don't matter. It don't matter. So next time I come back, I just going to change off the rims them and them thing there. After I change off the 4 rims them. Because the thing is, I put 4 new tires. Because the thing is with this car, the rims them soft. Every minute them bust. Look at these rims. The amount of time the rim cracks. So I tell myself, so I just take it off this time. Tell myself, so I go just buy one set of rim and tire next time I come back. I watch it. Crack. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crack on 1 rim. You see me I say? Relax yourself, youth. Wash your go wash you off. Don't worry yourself. Not too crazy because the last time things to wash, you know. But rain! Alright, I finish it up right now. Rain can rinse it off. When it rain down, I dry it off and cover it up.
Early the next morning.
Up in the early morning, I got the airport. You know what I say? We get up from about 4:30. Flight is at 9, so don't know if I reach the airport by 7 o'clock latest. Mommy there, so mommy I deal with. So you look.
There, man. I go on, take it easy and I go on night, keep in at the airport. Miss the sun, but you know, if I feel just go, you have to do. You just have to just do the right thing. In the mighty name of Jesus, we have to go with God and you know. And Adrian, we miss you, man. Miss you, bad. Miss you. But
I say go, man.
I say go. Yes, just like how we miss you, your family miss you too. So, but you just do say the right thing you do, you understand? You bless up yourself and double portion of protection, same way. Anyway you go, you know, so your mother always a pray. Anyone at home, if God care you safe. You come to Jamaica, you go back home safe, so we give God thanks this morning. So, yes. So the next time, I don't know, you see me, I go back. I'm not ready yet. Alright, about this place.
Siren, I say you can't look around and come out to the driving, you know?
Yeah, we have up at the airport, you know? Check out the bus. Let me have back safely, man, so.
Respect, man. We have a one-stop flight. I go Atlanta. Yeah, not Atlanta. Florida. I think Atlanta, Florida, one of them. I go one of them. The America do a stop at America. Then from this we do a 1.5 hour layover and then to Canada. So we reach at the airport, we check back in the same. So we're in the airport and now I try to check in. Do the right thing. What time? I reach about 6:40. So we're good with time because 9 o'clock I'm a flight, you see me? So once we check in everything, we check in back with you. So give me a second, I'm sure now I go on. Airport full in the early morning. People that travel, you see me? Yeah. I think at first I go take a Delta flight. So I couldn't know what I go on. I try to check in for instance, I couldn't check in. Why? Because they return the money to my account because at first I never buy a ticket off of that debit card. So they return the money to my account right now. I have to try to buy a ticket. As I speak in the airport, come at airport, I run go home and then cancel my thing for me. Because then say my card is unauthorized. Because the card they are Canada, because I flip a card with all of them for use. But try first I buy one ticket off of my card. Now I'm stuck at the airport, I have to try to buy a ticket. And the price probably go ridiculous. So let's see what I go on. Joke thing. Joke thing. You check back in, you know.
By sheer coincidence.
So I just go through the baggage place. I go see if I can grab 2 patty. Alyssa want patty, Raja want patty, so see what I go on in there. So. Alright, so. Huh? Can't record? Okay, no problem. I just grabbed 2 patty, but you know, couldn't record in there. But you know what? Hello, Miss Codner. Miss Codner. Just spot one of my classmates, you know. I'm that. I just spot one of my classmates from college. I run him down. Well on them, man. Let's see if she. Miss Codner. What go on? A food me I go look at my spot there, you know. Yeah, run go. Yeah, man, I say not too sore at that. I say not too sore at that. Hey there, man.
Yeah, I say you pass me here
How are you?
Yeah, runway. But there,
Oh,
man.
yeah, the vlog.
Aye.
I'm done.
I'm a spot there, you see me? You good though?
Good, man.
Good, I like your ear pan,
You
you,
like
man.
the ear?
Yeah, stand out, you know?
Yeah.
How long am I say from 2018?
Yeah, but exactly.
Yeah, how would you link up a mandable? Wednesday?
Yeah.
Wednesday, December 19th. I'm there with Tusora.
Gotta fix them boobs.
Go
Hi!
on a road. You have to look at some there with Latisha, aka Rose Rose.
You been queen.
Yeah, man. Come on, where she there? Where she there? Where's Sophie there?
I am
Forward,
right
no?
here.
Forward.
Hello.
Sophie, you know the thing work already. Where Cassie there? Where there? Where there? Where there? Where there?
Hi. Hello.
Big up the camera. Up. I won't know each other from.
Knoxville. We used to beat you up, Adrian, but I'm going like that.
Trouble them and the way love me. I mean, I'm one of 3 men in our class and they love me.
The only man. I did the only man. You were
the only man in class?
in the first class. Was it in the Jomo?
Yeah. Shall we?
Yeah. But when the class is split, I have
Yeah, only man.
Yeah.
Sure, no.
Yeah, but I know
Me jump in and out more while, you know.
So you be
Cause my mother did the woman there, so I just carry her home. About 3 months ago. Respect, man.
Good,
I
man.
don't know.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Canada nice.
Yeah.
Canada like me with a friend.
Me deal with it, you know? For real, man. For real. Where you go?
Yeah.
New York side? Oh, so straight New York flight you go on? Oh, but for some reason I feel say live somewhere else. I know in a day, but I feel say that elsewhere. Oh, so New York?
New York.
Okay.
I'm a city girl.
Oh, I don't live in the city at all. I don't live in the city. I live where I want to call it.
Really?
50 minutes from Toronto.
From Toronto?
Yeah, I don't live in the city at all. Not even like foreign.
You don't like foreign?
No, sir.
I love Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica is expensive.
I want to travel. It's expensive, yes, but the things that I want to do, I want to travel the world. But I don't want to live overseas because I can't manage the cold. You live in New York, you love the cold?
I love the cold. Up to your hot.
You love the heat?
Canada cold. Different
All right.
New York cold, so we can't compare food to cold. We don't come to Canada before we don't know the cold.
Yeah, you have to, when you take a trip there, we see where I'm going. Because
so we say me have to drive to come there.
I drive, I think at 10 hours still, you know.
Yeah, me drive from Niagara Falls.
Say that I live there as well. Oh. I record now, say the mind. So you mind up on the camera? You look good. You see me there, sir? I buck up my classmate from college days. But go up on the vlog already, you know.
Which part of the vlog?
Yeah, in 2008, me and Latisha them link up. A long time that, from 2018. Yeah, we send it to your link.
Yeah.
You see me, my classmate there, so I go and hold it. Yeah, man, she got New York to Sora, you know?
A city girl.
She love the city, me not love the city like that, you see? Now, what time are you fly?
I'm bored what? I'm bored 7:45, flight
Oh.
8:45.
I've same thing with me, I go look something feed, because I get up from 4 o'clock. I don't know. I just hungry, I want some tea or... Alright, probably at this one I go. Alright, go and do the right thing. Safe travel, yeah?
You can't come to New York, what no?
I come there last year because my brother live in the Bronx, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
You need to come back.
Yeah. I sit next
I
to.
don't know the Bronx, that's the ghetto.
So where you live?
I live in Queens.
Oh, I have a couple of bridges over Queens too. Anytime I come there, we link you.
I don't live in the ghetto, okay?
Safe travel. Alright, thanks. Ja. Yeah, man. Woman say, so wait. You need to tell me say Bronx, I ghetto. You need to tell me, you know. So boom, bang, bang. I'm going to try to get something to eat because I know the flight is long. I'm bored within the next 20 minutes. Because then say at 8 o'clock, I do my thing. Till I reach, I couldn't know where I go.
Identify yourself to a Delta representative. Thank you.
So I'm going to grab something, you know. I'm going to go with food or just jerk chicken and a porridge, I don't know. Yeah, just get some island grill, hungry and weak. You know, I get up from about 4:30 me up, you know. One thing I do, I drink some tea because mommy give me some tea this morning. So I just get a porridge. But buy a little porridge, I see porridge of 4 bills, but then I feel say, oh, small, see, big old porridge, I can't drink so much porridge, you see me? But yeah. So do out there. Never fly upon that airliner yet, so we'll see what I go on. I think my time I know for boat, so I go see if I'm going to check in and then I can just probably have to go eat on the plane. And I can come back out and eat. But either way, we'll see what going on, you know. It's hard to plan. Can't eat all the food now, so hopefully this will keep me on the flight. Everything good. It smells sweet. But alright, cook a bit more. But I ate on a festival. I'm going on the flight. Place full. Kind of steamy. But anymore, alright, cook a bit. Fried dumpling. Smell like table taste good. I didn't say I'm a fried dumpling man, so I don't know. Not bad. Light, fluffy, little bit too sweet. Tastes like a festival dough, then use a fried dumpling dough. Like too sweet for fried dumpling. Yeah, way too sweet. Definitely festival dough this. Same thing when I use a festival, then just roll. Think that easy? Somebody will work a comment and tell me for that one I do. There? Nice. Let me taste the festival. Hold on it. God, this is not fried dumpling. I don't know, I work coming on a place I'm buying. Festival. Let me taste it. Can't tell me saying the same thing this may eat. I couldn't do it. I only give people in festival I see a fried dumpling. I don't grill now wicked. Come on. The same thing. And lazy. I don't like that. I don't like that. You got island grill? A festival dumpling, you do them go give for fried dumpling. I don't like that. It tastes good enough. But it's misleading. So fix that up here. 8:45. Flight should have take off in the next 15 minutes. So scrolly, you know. Yeah. Worst thing happened to me a while ago. What could have ever happened? When I did at the airport, biggest nightmare. I reach up at the counter. The same day when I purchased my ticket. This is a couple hours after that they returned the money to my account because apparently the first time I buy a ticket from a bank card like that, so they thought it was a scam, so they returned the money. As you can imagine, got my suitcase, everything, reached at the counter because yesterday I was trying to check in online, couldn't check in. So I said I go forward at the airport. When I come at the airport now, ready to check in, the girl said, you don't have a flight for today. So I mean, you have a buy a ticket a couple of weeks ago? I said no. Flight has been cancelled. I said, cancelled? They said, yeah, they return the money to your account. I said, what is it? I said, no, me check online. 800, 1500 for ticket. And I said, oh, please tell me so I can get this ticket for the same price that I bought it for. In Jamaica, I know them time I hot months where the tickets are expensive. But luckily, I got the ticket for the same price that I paid for it a few weeks ago. I'm gonna get the same seats when I go. Because this is a one-stop flight in Atlanta. Best people can find a straight flight for 1500 and me now pay $1,500 for 1 week. No way, so you get this for 350 at US, which converts to about 450 Canadian. So this money was just tricky, man. That's watch it. One little error and that can cost me that. But I just never see it. So they return the money to my account. I'm a Canadian bank that I use. So this one I have just used my Jamaican bank account and pay it. So that is it. I go online and now do the right thing, you see me? So you see you back when you reach in Atlanta, I try eat the food there right now. You see it? Man. How long when I come on a plane, I have this, I show you I have an actual screen and something to charge my phone. Can't tell me when I fly some weird plane for the long time.
Many hours later.
Alright, just reaching Atlanta now. I'm going to jump on the next flight, but I have like a next hour and a half before them ready. You see what I say? Yeah, tired. Just done the 3-hour flight. You see? Yeah man, it's the next connection and out to Canada. That I going to be, I think, 2 hours from Atlanta to Toronto. So check back in, show now I go on. See it there? I think I'm gonna bring it out in the airport part itself. But what do what I go and do it? Just you there. Alright, so time to find a part me there now. Only for traveling. Now the connection flight thing. Yeah, a little hassle, you know, but we're out there. In the Atlanta airport. I like them place. Looks good. Duty free and something something. Now buy that money because I have to dash away my water and my cran water a while ago, you know. So yeah, we're gonna head out and Porsche nice, see? Yeah man, the mall. Not my mall, look like our mall, but their airport is nice inside here. Yeah. So maybe I want now, maybe I gate F9, so this way for me. I'm gonna find a place where I can sit down and see if I can warm up my thing there. I have a whole heap of store in there, man. Yeah. I try to find a store and see if I can warm up my food. Board the second flight again. I swear I think I decide same plane, me just come and find it and just settle through customs because that is mandatory, you know. But up on the second flight, 2 more hours. Man say, nah, I want to stew chicken in can just to me, so I first go beat cold fowl.
Later that same evening.
Yo, more got bathroom so till just like in Canada. Oh, how can I forget? Me need to go pick up my what you call it something there? Power saw. Yeah, me need to go pick up my power saw. So that's what I'm going for now. Arrivals there. Oh, them thing broke down. Oh, then so we can use the stairs. Yes, Canada. There again. There again. We're there again. Look like it's a far, far walk. This is crazy.
Yeah, you want to also follow this line?
This
Follow
is
this line,
crazy.
please keep coming in this line. Thank you. Follow this
Full up.
line.
See the part I'm gonna miss? I'm happy that I don't have to do all of this anymore. Just come through my bag, I'm good to go. Now go see if I can get my power saw, you know. So yeah, me just meet Sandra at Piercy International. Big up yourself. Remember me that tell you a while ago? With the chainsaw, enough love here. I know you're on the works, you know, I can't go put it on camera, but thanks to your support. Now head upstairs right now, see if I can get my chainsaw. Out there full man. Out there ram up. Remember the days when I used to come to Canada and you come right there so come meet the loved one and greet them. Mommy likewise. So we're in the YYZ. Alright, so I want to find upstairs I know 333. I've reached Canada where I'm feeling for a Tim Hortons coffee. We're gonna get one. Alright, 333. So far it's for them, man. Jaja youth. Oh, flare. See them, yeah? You guys better have my chainsaw, you know? It's a war. Good afternoon. I'm good. How are you? I'm here to pick up a chainsaw that was kept back about 3 months ago. I was told to come here once I arrived to the airport.
You have to see and the guy standing at the front.
Right
First
there?
counter, just talk to him, he might know about it.
Okay, thank you. So this is the flight number and the details of the bag that it was in.
The claim, this is online.
Pardon?
A claim. You did
Oh,
it online.
they called me through WhatsApp. They were communicating to me through WhatsApp. Let me show you. Sorry, so where do I find this? So all the way to the end?
All the way to the end and the first floor.
So what am I asking for?
Domestic package hall, oversized.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
No worries.
I lucky things say Roger not reach yet, because I know I'm going to reach after 4 to 5. I'm tell him say just come 6 o'clock. I know I have to pick up this thing at the airport. And this is just a hassle right now because I'm getting the sender run all around. So I mean, it was 3 months ago the lady just tell me say we get it, but let me see what I go and I definitely need a coffee. I've been up since 4. Been up since 4:30, so definitely need a coffee right now to give me a little energy because the little food I buy at Jamaica haven't even only to meet at the festival and the festival dumpling. Yo, what's the name again? What's the name? What's the place name again, man? What's the name again? Island Grill, do better. Stop using festival dough fried dumpling and everybody on the country, yeah? Yeah. Do better, because I buy from you know why? Because when it's a franchise, I want always not airport so me supporting a thing. I want food no bad neither, you see me? But don't trick the crowd. Now if I run out of actual fried dumpling dough this morning, don't do that to the people in here. Cause I have some people who can't manage the sweetness and they go buy fried dumpling because they run for the festival. Boom! Festival roll up in a bar. Do better here. So what do you want to know? Must have to go walk. We are the end now. I don't know that though. Yo, I get the run right now because if what they send me, they must say them don't know about that. So I don't understand where the airline would have my thing and keep it. I mean now go back nowhere else, you know. They must say I must do an online claim. I'm going to make sure I go back to the brother and tell him, so what you send me, there's nothing there. They said there's no downstairs or keep nothing. So you need to contact the lady when I that talk to, Deborah. I saw it, that's something I call that is it. I now walk up and again. My back hurt me that heavy bag. I'm tired. Quick update. When I person saying see a chainsaw one night time, say I'm going to check for me. Make me know what I'm going. I'm so tired, I'm so hungry. I say give him 10 minutes, so let's just see. Let me see. Roger, my brother, Roger come pick me up, you know, so probably in there I try to call me. Let me see something. I know 5. How old is that? How I call me? See how I call me, I know call. I don't need to go, you know. Now Scotiabank call me after then decline make my flight and nearly make me not reach her. I don't call me here, man. I have to end up buy the flight from a Jamaican credit card or debit card, any one of them. Just I go and wait. I make know if I get it, and then after that, I go head home. Yeah. It's been a journey, let's just say that. So see it, my friend. Get the chainsaw. And that give me a hard time a while ago, but got it. Got me harder now. I wonder where the chain there. I think I'm supposed to have the chain somewhere, you know. But if the chain I did, I have to go buy one chain. But how am I going to get this at Jamaica now? I don't know. I probably have to go sell it back online. But with that said, you know, I save my G ready for me. I'm head out and I'm hungry. Right now it's 7 o'clock, basically 6 after 6 now. Tired of me. See if I can jump on the elevator. Yeah. After all that pain and suffering, I could go get one coffee. First thing I ever have when I just come to Canada was a Tim Hortons French vanilla. That's what we're doing right now. Brother, you put me in a line with Shannon, brother, yeah, man. I go get something to eat, my friend. So I get a Tim Hortons coffee. Good afternoon. May I have a small French vanilla, please, and a poppy seed muffin? Yes, please. I take a seat for the camera. Yes, Father God, give thanks. This should keep me up. Because Jamaica go and play a game tonight and then boy they go there all over me. Now I know Alice I go sleep. Glad to see me there. Perfect. Not too sweet, not too fresh. We're good. I'll link up Roger now. You know me I pull up and I say feel like stress. So listen, now I go expect this, but I grab our 3 rows, one for each one of the boy them. And to just hold it down, you know? In a real life, man. Buy her some rows, you know? For holding it down with the boy them. Yeah, man. I tell you, it's not easy to deal with 3 kids for so long, you know? I have to show her that appreciation. You know, Mother's Day is around the corner, but this is a pre-Mother's Day thank you from me to her. I grab some rose. No. We're there. Get some roses, you know? One for each one of the boy them. Give thanks. How that? Mr. Servito? You coming from work, bro?
What?
It's my G, I know. You let me camera in, boy?
No, put me on.
You let me camera in, bro? What? No, take that. Take off that. Take off that black thing. Yeah. Hold it for me. Brought some rose for you, bro. Your blood teeth, yo. Hey! How are you, man? Who you man think I give man rose boy? Eh? This boy I move like you want accept rose. Can't rose cinnamon youth. But big up Roger, you see me good youth. Big up yourself, bro.
Welcome to Canada, bro.
Yeah. I'm here, bro. Here, but I'm here. Happy to see everybody, you know? Yeah, Roger the outside, so. I don't know if I can record them reach you, but I hit that. I've been vlogging all morning, bro. Cha. So yeah. You mind if I the camera, bro? Because I can afraid of camera these days, you know. So right? I mash up a wheel or in Jamaica?
Sorry.
Like my wheel not a use. You see what there? Roger looking like a rock star, Latisha man, you know?
Latisha!
Yeah, man.
Oh, I forgot
Nicky
about
Rose.
Latisha.
Yeah,
Hi,
man.
Latisha.
Yeah, man.
Oh, girl.
Latisha, boyfriend, man. See it there? East Side Highway.
You have to